You can see your living and dining is spacious enough to place, and over here is your kitchen space. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Nakshatra Veda by JSB Group located in Vasai East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can see all the towers. These are the actual towers where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhoods of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 5 acres that will have total of 6 towers of ground plus 23 story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, landscape garden, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located in Madhuvan Township, Vasai East, from where Vasai railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, D-Mart is at a distance of 7 to 8 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital, all within the distance of 500 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering your 1 BHK of the residential project Nakshatra Veda. This 1 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 470 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your living and dining is spacious enough to place everything that you need like your sofas, dining tables and all that. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a flower bed balcony in the living. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and your bedroom. First, on this side we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you can see storage space is provided in the washroom. And over here is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with a stainless steel sink. You can also see your space provided to place your refrigerator, and again you will be getting full French windows with a flower bed balcony in the kitchen as well. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a dryer space in the kitchen. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 1 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your bed, side tables and all that you need in your bedroom. Also, wardrobe space provided is niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look. And again, you will be getting full French windows with a flower bed balcony in your master bedroom as well. And to the left of the entrance of your bedroom is the entrance of your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 1 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Nakshatra Veda. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 1 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Nakshatra Veda by JSB Group located in Vasai East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.